Hello there and welcome to Trinity Stamps. Today we're taking a close-up look at the Supporting Script Sentiments stamp set. This is a 4x8 stamp set with 19 different sentiments in it. These sentiments are designed to go with other sentiments. Even though some of them can easily be standalone sentiments, they have a fun, scripty font, and they were designed to go with this big, bold sentiment stamp set that is also part of this current release. So you can see you can have things like, "Congratulations, so proud of you." I love that the supporting sentiments are scripty and the big, bold sentiments have the straight font. Then when you mix them together, it creates a really fun look. So here you can see all of the supporting sentiments stamped out, and they will easily fit in banner dies, so you can die cut them out that way, and they're fun to stamp right over the top of the big bold sentiments, as I've done here with this rainbow background. These supporting sentiments are also going to go really well with any scripty word dies that you already have. Now, Trinity has these new cut and foil dies that I thought would also look great with this new supporting sentiment stamp set. Now let's take a look at some samples created by the design team. Here I paired those supporting sentiments with the big bold sentiments on 3 different cards so you could see how there are so many different ways to use it. On this next card, I did pair it with the cut and foil Celebrate. I love this combination. The fonts go really well together. Here it's also paired with a cut and foil Sentiment with just the die cut. Here are 2 cards where they use the supporting sentiments on their own without any other sentiments. And then here you can see 2 cards where it was paired with other sentiments from different stamp and die sets. For more inspiration, make sure you check out the Trinity Stamps Instagram and Facebook pages. And thank you for stopping by. I will see you again soon. Bye.